Welcome to the Creative Transitions Pack for Premiere Pro 2nd Edition. Based on our client's experience, we have collected 600 of the most commonly used elements in one pack. Everything you need for creating unique videos. Suitable for filmmakers, social media bloggers, TV broadcast directors, and all other video content creators. Customization is very simple. Just check the Transitions preview inside of Premiere Pro, drag and drop it to the timeline, and enjoy awesome results. Creative Transitions Pack, created for your success.